Hi everyone. I'm going to show you how to make a 3-digit flip book. In my classroom we've been learning about 3-digit numbers, and now we're working on addition, and then we'll go on subtraction. This flip book will help your students learn how to add or subtract 10 more to the 3-digit number or 100 to the 3-digit number. For example, if you tell your students to make 138 in their flip book and tell them to make 10 more of 138, they'll flip one page and they'll get the sum of 148. If you like to make this, you could just continue watching the video. What you need is 3 pieces of paper. You can use cardstock or regular copy paper. You can use white or any other colors you like. You would need crayons. I don't use markers because they bleed through the different pieces of paper. A stapler and scissors for your material list. You're going to take your paper and stack them, your 3 pieces of paper, and you're going to fold them vertical from one edge to the other edge. So you would have a crease in the middle. Now you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut along the edge, or on the seam of the fold. Now that you have cut in the middle of the 3 pieces of paper, now you're going to take each half and you're going to fold them in half vertical. Now after you fold them vertical in half, you're going to cut along the crease that you folded. Now after you cut them, you shall have 4s, and you're going to stack them all together into one pile. You're going to, after you stack them in a pile, you're going to take your stapler and you're going to staple the tops of your foldable. After you have stapled the top of your foldable, you're going to fold each page back so it'd be easy to move the pages forwards or backwards. After you fold over the pages so it'll be easy to work with, you should have a little crease. Now after you've done that, this will be your cover page, and you can label as my 3-digit flip book and add some designs to it. After you design your cover of your 3-digit flip book, you're going to start cutting 3 columns. Notice I'm not cutting the front cover, but I'm starting on the second page of the flip book, and I'm cutting into columns of 3. Now I don't cut the back cover of it, but I cut all the way to the seam of the fold. So I have several pages. I should have 9. And now I'm going to start on to my next column. So now you shall have your front cover and your back cover that are not cut, and then in the middle are the pages of the cut over 3 different columns. Now I'm going to start labeling each page. Now I labeled on the back of the front cover, I put H for hundreds, T for tens, and O for ones. I made sure the O stood out as an O and not a 0. Now as my first page of the flip book, I label each one 0, and I did in different colors, orange in H, turquoise or blue in T, and O for ones in magenta. And I'm going to go all throughout the numbers 0 through 9 in the flip book. So I labeled everything 0s, and then each page as it goes by, I label them. So 3, 4, 5, and I do that throughout the whole flip book. 5, 6. And notice that I put the letters on top of the other page of the O for the ones place, T for the tens place, or H for the hundreds place, so the students won't get confused where they're at. So you can use this for teaching 3-digit numbers with addition or subtraction. For example, if you tell the students to make the number 358 and ask them what is 10 more than 358, they should go to the tens column, flip one page, And then you should get the sum of 368. You could also use this for subtraction. If you tell them that if you have a 3-digit number of 368 and what is 100 less than 368, they go back in their flip book, 100 less, and they get a difference of 268. If you like this video, please like it. I'd like to see your comments, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope it was helpful for you and your students can make this book. Thank you. Bye.